Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my first impressions of the newly released Honor 20 Pro, so keep watching. Oh, for those of you who are stalking me on YouTube and Instagram about asking me about the Honor 20 Fortnite skin, guys, really? The phone is not even mine. Intro. Now, starting from the design and build, it has the same exact design and build with the Honor 20, where the phone did feel thick, but personally for me I like it that way, as it did give a quite solid grip in my hands. And then the back is made of glass, which had lots of layers of glass with a cool holographic design. Now this had a very strict production point where every single phone produced by Honor had a proper QC to make sure to maintain its unique finish at the back. And then the 4 cameras at the back is arranged on a vertical position towards the left side of the phone with a little camera bump to protect the lenses, and then the other macro lens is built into the body. Then of course there's no fingerprint sensor at the back, as it is now at the side at the power button like the Honor 20. Now with most phones using the optical fingerprint sensor in the display, it's nice that Honor has decided to stick to the traditional fingerprint sensor over here, as it not only unlocks naturally but also super fast as well. Now going into the color finishes, there are 2 colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have is the very nice Phantom Blue, and then there's also Phantom Black. Now as for the phone screen, it has a 6.2-inch screen similar like the Honor 20, which uses all-view LCD display with a quite good looking screen as well, with a hole punch display at the top left of the screen, which is the smallest on any smartphone out right now, only at 4.5mm. Then the screen also had a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Now as for the ports and buttons, looking down below there is the USB-C port with a single mono firing speaker, and then on the left there is the dual SIM card slot with no micro SD card slot expansion, and then the power button is on the right with the integrated fingerprint sensor and the volume rocker above. And on top there is the IR blaster, and like the Honor 20, gone is the headphones jack. Now as for the camera specs, here are the main differences between the Honor 20 and also the Honor 20 Pro, where one is a huge 48 megapixel with a higher f1.4 aperture, an 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture telephoto lens, a 60 megapixel ultra wide f2.2 aperture 13mm lens, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 dedicated macro lens like the Honor 20. Now as for the phone's front camera, it is also the same like the Honor 20, where it had a huge 32 megapixel camera, which of course we'll find out how exactly the camera performs during my full video review, so stay tuned to this channel and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Now as for video, the rear camera records up to 4K 30 frames per second, and then as for the front, it records up to 1080p up to 30 frames per second. And then looking at the insides of the phone, it has a Kirin 980 chipset, and it comes with just one variant, which is a huge 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. Now when it comes to software, it does come shipped with Android 9 Pie with the Magic UI 2. Then the phone is also powered with a higher 4000 mAh of battery, which is also really nice to know, where it apparently gives you a charge up to 50% with just under 30 minutes. And since I have the phone right now, stay tuned for a full battery test when I use the phone as my daily driver. And yes, also stay tuned to this channel and my website at www.adamlobo.tv once the phone officially launches here in Malaysia. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys like to know about the Honor 20 Pro down at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll answer every single one of your questions during my full video review of the Honor 20 Pro. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions video of the Honor 20 Pro, and if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.